IKEA is the most popular furniture stores in Malaysia. Thousands of people come every day to find good furniture for their dream homes. Using the existing home-like setting, we create something unexpected for the customers. Introducing Hellhome. To discover something unexpected at this home by putting on VR headset.
Hey, Sarah. You're just the one you to hang out say anymore.
Don't let home become hell. Report to stop the violence. After the campaign, we distributed leaflets to remind people how to deal with domestic violence. And you can make different by donation and report to help the victim. www.wo.org. Don't let home become hell. Report to stop the violence.